The default setting in Windows 10 is to open File Explorer to Quick Access folder. As you see, if I click File Explorer icon, it shows the Quick Access folder. To make File Explorer icon opening to this PC instead of the Quick Access folder, go to View tab. Then Options. Here, open File Explorer to Quick Access. Click this triangle to drop down the list and choose this PC. Click Apply, then OK. And close this window. Now, when you click File Explorer icon, it will open this PC directly. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.